Welcome back, everybody. It's Justin. Today we're going to be going over Lab E, going over RC circuits. So let's talk about materials first off. So first thing we're going to be using is a big old DC generator we've seen before. We're going to be using a capacitor, a resistor, a switch, some alligator clips yet again, and then we're going to be using an interface in order to hook up some stuff to the computer so we can see what's actually going on. So let's get to the setup of the lab. Alrighty, so the circuit diagram for this lab would look something along the lines of this, consisting of a resistor and a capacitor, hence the term RC circuit. And then from there we have our big old DC generator, as you can see where the battery marked is, and then the switch marked for S going between points A and B. Alright, so this is what the system would look like in real life. So we got our interface to the left of the generator, which we've seen in the videos previously. So there's the generator. To the left of that is, again, our interface, which should be measuring the voltage across the resistor, which is the black box you can see. We have our capacitor in the center, and we have the switch, which I'm playing with and setting to the neutral position so the circuit isn't running currently. So in order to do this lab, we flip the switch to start charging the capacitor while using the software to record the voltage across the resistors themselves. And we get that data, and once the capacitor is fully charged, then we'd flip the switch the opposite way, discharge the capacitor, since the power source would then be cut off from the circuit, and we'd record that, and then we'd have a big old graph, which we're going to go over now. Alright, so then we have our data that we've recorded from measuring the voltage across the resistor using our interface along with the software. So as you can see to the left, this would be when the capacitor would be charging up, and then to the right, it would be when it's discharging. So we're more concerned with when it's discharging in particular, and we're going to be investigating these values, especially trying to find the time constant tau, which is actually marked out on there, but we're going to be finding different methods of calculating this tau value, and then what we're going to do is we're going to compare that to what we get theoretically using our normal formulas. So that's the gist of the lab. Good luck.